Digital branding is the oil in your sales engine. And here's why. Digital branding alleviates some of the friction that is caused. And in marketing terms, I define friction as having a poor identity, not being found, or not being credible. These are all the things that inhibit your customers, your clients, and your audience from converting. And I consider content marketing as an additive in that oil. An additive that makes your digital branding go farther, last longer. So you're able to utilize content marketing to build your digital brand and to make the life of your digital branding efforts last longer.